Wait, NASA sent astronauts to the moon and didn't give them seats? Yep, the Apollo lunar module had zero chairs. Why? Because every single gram mattered. No seats meant 200 pounds saved. Enough for more fuel, life support, and science gear. But it wasn't just about weight. Standing gave astronauts a way better view. During the final landing, they had to manually steer using tiny windows. Standing got their eyes 20 times closer to the action. Plus, in lunar gravity, standing barely felt like standing at all. And with straps on the floor, they stayed stable while flying a spaceship. No seats, no problem. Just genius engineering that got us to the moon and back. Hungry for more sky-shaking space secrets? Tap subscribe and keep exploring.